Well, has this happened to you? Your credit card interest rate skyrocketing or the company hitting you with a surprise fee? Lawmakers are looking to put an end to those practices. Our consumer lawyer, Eric Seidel, now has the latest on a proposed credit card holders' Bill of Rights.
We have never been late on a payment and always paid more than the minimum.
That's the reason Judy and Phil O'Hearn were shocked. They contacted us after the interest rate on their MasterCard went from 7.9 to a budget-busting 25%.
We couldn't believe it. We thought it was a mistake.
And Judy isn't alone. We've heard the same story from other consumers.
It was very sneaky. And not only that, that's no way to treat good customers.
It's pretty common. You'll get the fine print, you get your notices in the mail, and they can raise it arbitrarily for any reason or no reason.
That's because right now it's within the credit card company's rights to hike those rates. And credit law attorney Rinki Parwani says if you carry a balance, look out.
I'm seeing a lot of consumers coming into me saying I can't make those payments anymore.
Even worse, credit is tight thanks to the down economy.
You end up making payments at the higher rate and unable to find a card that will give you a lower rate. And people who are already struggling to make ends meet can't make those payments.
But those surprise rate hikes could come to an end if Congress successfully passes a cardholder's Bill of Rights.
There's so many abuses that are going on out there, and it's to end the abuse.
Consumer Credit Counseling's Linda Pickler says besides preventing arbitrary rate increases, the bill also stops excessive over-limit fees and gets rid of penalties for paying your balance in full and on time.
Well, I'm very concerned about other people who are on fixed incomes. They can't afford tripling their interest rate. They can't afford to make those payments.
The credit card holder's Bill of Rights has already passed the House. Now it's up to the Senate to limit surprises that could arrive with your next bill. Eric Seidel, Fox 13 News.
There are still some exceptions carved out for the banks here. Under the latest version of that bill, credit card companies could raise your rates for reasons like missed or late payment.